Hey, Sans! Explain something to me. If Pac-Man wasn't meant to be in my game, then why is he in my gaming console? What's going on in this ghostly heart of darkness?
Nothing.
Talk!
No.
I like you.
You wouldn't.
Yeah?
Oh, that's like sandpaper.
Wonder how many licks does it get to your center?
I'll take it to my grave.
Fair enough. I couldn't call you a sour bell for nothing. Hard enough yet?
Okay, I'll talk. Pac-Man used to be a ghost chomper until Mass tried to delete his code.
Deleting his code? So that's why he's the glitch. Why is he doing this to him?
I don't know.
Sit yourself, Sans.
No, I swear I don't know. He literally locked up our memories, so we can't remember. I can't, and nobody can. But I do know this. I'll do anything from Pac-Man. Because if he's finished gobbling all these pellets, that game will reset, and he won't be a glitch anymore.
Where is he now?
In the dungeon with Blinky.
Blinky?
I'm sorry, that's all I know, I swear. Now please, don't put me back into your filthy mouth again.
Stick it on the 10.
Yes, okay, I will. Thank you.